Steve Harvey's book, Think Like a Lady, Act Like a Man, made me realize that choosing guests for your Airbnb is a lot like dating. And this is why I think that. By the way, if you don't know me, my name's Karen Fraser and I am from Smart Airbnbs. Number one, you don't need to swipe right for every guest who knocks on your inbox door. Number two, you can end a relationship when it's not working. Number three, there are always more fish in the sea. Number four, guests want hosts who will make them feel important and pampered, and hosts want guests who will take care of them and their property. Number five, hosts need to be firm about what they expect from guests so that guests know where they stand. And number six, if hosts don't provide a good experience, guests will go elsewhere. Number seven, guests want to think that they're right. So let them think they're right.